Weather got a whole lot better as we started off your work week. Got warm again. Sun's been out for most of the day, although some clouds have been around. It's also turned pretty windy. You can see that in your St. Joseph Health WeatherBug camera. Over at Center College, trees are moving around quite nicely in winds that are gusting 25 to 30 miles an hour. So it's a warm and windy afternoon. It's spring. Some clouds are out there mixed with the sun. Rain is pushed off to the east. We had a few showers pass to the north on the MaxTrack Live Doppler early in the week. We're cranking the summer heat. Oh, that feels good. Late in the week, a very slow-moving front arrives, which leads us to Oaks and Derby. There are reasons for pessimism weather-wise, and we'll get to all that coming up. Normally, we'd be in the low 70s. Okay, we were below it over the weekend. We soar above it today. And look at the heat coming in for the middle of the week. And then as we head toward the weekend, we start heading the wrong direction. Right now, Bluegrass Airport, it is 78. Nice afternoon in Lexington. Southwest wind 16, gusting to 25. At dew point, that's the measure of amount of moisture in the air. When it gets to 60 and above is when you really start to notice the humidity. Almost there. We were there earlier today, and we've dried out just a little bit with the wind that's been around. Look at it. It's 80 in London. It's 81 in Moorhead, 80 in Monticello, Somerset, Danville, Richmond, all at 79. Flemingsburg is 76. This is pretty doggone terrific. All righty. Folks up in the Midwest are wondering what season it really is. The areas around Chicago, some folks, about a half a foot of snow came down near the Wisconsin line. This was an amazing winter storm that went through over the weekend. Now it's a rainmaker for them. You can see the rain that is falling out there. It's going to lead to some pretty big flood problems up there still in the Midwest. For us, we watched this system basically die as it got to us. There's a little clearing line now crossing I-65. More clouds are back here to the west, though. The weather map is not going to change a whole lot here. Really cold high pressure to the north, but we've also got essentially a summertime high anchored over the southeast. They're fighting to a draw, and that draw is just to our north, so that's where the rain will remain. Look at the next batch of snow coming out of the Rockies heading into the plains. For us, though, it's still summertime. The front is to our north. We're in the warm southerly flow. We will continue that into Wednesday and Thursday. That system will eventually get here, and as it does so, we will watch the rain chances increase as we head toward the latter part of the week, and it's that low right there. That looks to be the complicating factor as we head toward Oaks and Derby Day. So we start you off Friday morning. Pretty good rain going on across the I-65 corridor, including Louisville. Now, if there's any optimism, it becomes more showery late in the day on Friday. Now we take into Derby Day on Saturday. New round of rain comes in during Saturday. We work our way toward the afternoon and evening hours. You see, the threat for rain is going to linger. So for tonight, it's a mainly fair sky. Some clouds will be around, but it stays warm. Overnight lows will be around 60. Tomorrow, partly sunny, getting hot, just about humid. Highs into the low 80s. How about mid 80s on Wednesday? Boy, does that sound good. Upper 70s with a better chance of rain coming in for Thursday. There you see Oaks and Derby Day. Rain chances are pretty high both days as temperatures cool into the upper 60s on Derby Day.
Couldn't we move Tuesday and Wednesday off to Friday,
I've tried to
Saturday?
move weekend days more times than I can count, and I always get voted down.
Especially like the last year.
Yeah.
You've tried.
Try your best.
Yes, ma'am.